August 8, 1963. A silent night in Britain that no one would ever forget.
A Royal Mail train was travelling from Glasgow to London. Inside one of its carriages were bags filled with cash. Not thousands, not millions, but the modern-day equivalent of £67 million.
The driver, Jack Mills, had no idea that this ordinary journey was about to become history's most famous train robbery.
At around 3 a.m, a red signal suddenly appeared at Sears Crossing. That made no sense. This train was never supposed to stop here.
Train brakes screech, silence. But rules are rules. Jack Mills applied the brakes.
What followed was not an accident. It was a perfectly executed plan. The mastermind was Bruce Reynolds, a seasoned criminal with inside information.
Information leaked by a senior Royal Mail security officer whose identity remains unknown to this day.
The target was a special carriage known as the HVP, High Value Package Coach. Normally, it carried around £300,000. But that week was different. After a bank holiday weekend, the carriage held nearly £3 million in cash. And by pure coincidence, the alarm-equipped carriage was out of service.
The assistant driver stepped off the train to call the signalman.
The phone line had been cut.
Moments later, the robbers emerged. Jack Mills was struck on the head with an iron bar. No guns were fired, but the damage was permanent.
The robbers detached the engine and the first two carriages. They didn't just rob the train. They stole it. 1 kilometre away at Bridego Bridge, a truck was waiting. $128 bags of cash, weighing over 2 tons. They had just 15 minutes.
They escaped with 120 bags.
The perfect crime.